So over the last week I've been looking for something as an alternative to Visual Composer because I need something like it but for a non-WordPress based project. And I haven't really found anything which gives you proper control over the structure without the end user having to know quite a lot of HTML. And so this is something I've just quickly knocked up with in a day or two in jQuery UI. So you see I've got the little edit bar at the top here. If I click this, I get a row, and it's got an instance of CKeditor built into it. If I click a couple more, you'll see these sort of predefined row structures here. They're all then draggable on the y-axis, and you can then remove them, whatever. And of course, once you click in them, they'll just become inline CKeditors. So you can just grab some text, make it bold, or I could chuck an image in the same way you normally would. So once you've sort of added some content, you can then just press the preview button, which strips out all the extraneous stuff which we've just put in order to do the editing. And you can see in the console over here, that's the markup we're getting. The markup's not too bad, as in it literally is what, say, Bootstrap needs with nothing else except this column class, which I needed something to hook on to each of the columns. And if I load some predefined content, kitten placeholders, can't go wrong. You'll see this in its default state, I can't edit it, can't do anything to it. So I need to turn on the editing, and then there's all my instances in there. And there's my dragging. And the best part about this is because you're actually doing it literally in the page, the CSS is what you should end up with. So including all the sort of responsive elements, which is quite nice, especially in preview, because preview is basically what it is. I've done a few other things as well. So by default, CKeditor, for instance, on all the images will put the width and height in, and Bootstrap 3 requires image hyphen responsive class on each of these in order to get a nice responsive resizing. So I've made it so that when I'm stripping out the editor, I can also look for all the images, replace the attributes, replace the classes that I don't want, including something like some of the bits left over by CKeditor, like inline styles, which it's particularly bad at. So yeah, once I've done the preview, and then I can do save, and that basically just takes this console output and will chuck it towards a URL, which I haven't really written all that bit yet. But anyway, let me know what you think, and yeah, that's it.